Alrighty team, today we are going to talk about a quick fix that you can do on your landing pages to turn more traffic into leads. And it's this: we're going to focus on creating a high converting above the fold on your landing page. What is an above the fold? Above the fold is the section before you start to scroll. So it's the thing that you see first. Why is it important? Well, because 100% of the people that land on your page are going to see it. And what I see a lot of people make the mistake is they put all of their good stuff down the bottom of their page, or they don't know the hierarchy of information to put on the page, or they haven't figured out their inputs and their outputs, right? Garbage in, garbage out. So they actually just don't know what to put there. Today, I'm going to walk you through our framework that we use on all of our landing pages for our clients, and I'm going to show you some examples as well. So the above the fold is your most important real estate. If you promise something to get the click and then it's not delivered, you're gonna have people bounce and exit your landing page. So this is the structure, this is the template, the wireframe of a high converting above the fold. Let's unpack it. I'm gonna show it on my screen now. Okay, so you can see here we have the logo and the call to action. The call to action is tied to the offer, but you'll also notice we don't have a navigation. Typically on landing pages, there is no navigation. There's one thing to do on the page, and that is take up the offer, nothing else. Sometimes in other markets, or I will test this, I'll have a navigation, but I'll make it anchor to something else on the page because people are looking for certain things like pricing or how it works or whatever. And if they don't see it here, they might bounce straight away and not consume the page. So that's the caveat, but that's what we have in our navigation bar. Going down our page, the next thing is what we call our eyebrow. And the eyebrow is typically where we'll call out the avatar and be congruent with what they just clicked on or what they wanted, right? Or you might call out a pane. I'll show you some examples in a moment. The headline, a really simple formula for this is what we do and how it benefits you. Very simple formula. Then you have 3 value bullets, right? The 3 things that they care about, and you find this from your research. I'll show you how we figure these out. The call to action, like the thing you want them to do, and then a little bit of copy underneath it to eliminate the friction to click. Then you'll have an image above the fold or a video, something like that, that shows them what you do or how it works or whatever. But the idea is when you put any imagery onto your page, you want it to complement, not supplement the copy and the offer. Why? Because the design is not what makes people convert, yeah? Or the brand, most cases is not, unless you're like a big, huge company, is not what makes somebody convert. It's the offer and then the copy in that order. So to recap the above the fold, our eyebrow shows that they're in the right spot. The headline engages and intrigues them and it keeps them reading. That's the point of that. Then our bullets, it has our values and the problem solved. There's one clear call to action. We have proof high up on the page as well to show the perceived likelihood of achieving it. And then our image or our video might tap into the power of demonstration. Let's see how this works. So with this page for our client Build TX, you can see here we have an offer straight away, right? Because that's the right stage of the journey. You've got to be putting an offer in front of somebody. And oftentimes, if you're using Google Ads traffic, even Facebook traffic, depending where they are in the funnel, you need to put an offer in front of somebody. Why? Well, the whole purpose of the landing page is to get them to take the next step. We're not looking for a knockout punch. We're looking for a series of micro yeses. And at this point in time, apply for your champagne design consultation is the next logical step. It is the next micro yes. Then we can build authority in the headline. There's a clear call to action, and our bullets here remove the anxiety. Here is another example in the coaching and consulting space. So we have a clear offer, a clear dream outcome in the headline. It says, give me 30 minutes and I'll show you where to focus in 2022 to unlock more time, grow your business, and increase profits. It's very clear what they're going to get by taking up the call to action. And we have the USPs here to help them to know that we can help them and to increase the perceived likelihood of success. Now, not every client that I'll work with, their brand doesn't always allow me to do what I want. So here's an example with Linktree, and by creating this page, getting clearer on the inputs, right? Researching the market, understanding how to create a headline that would resonate and enter the conversation, and how to create Linktree as more of an offer and to build the value and to build the proof on the page. This increased conversions and decreased CPA, case study on my website, and I've got a video that unpacks how I did this. But then you can see, helps your followers discover everything you do with one simple click. Start my 30-day free trial. And then we've got the proof just below the above the fold. Next one is Homemade, a client that we have. You can see here, we use the navigation for this. It's in the Boomer market. You click how does it work, and it anchor texts down. Okay. So it's got frustrated with your existing home care provider. We know that's the bullseye of the market. Homemade customers save up to $5,592,000 a year and get an extra 11 hours of support a fortnight. This hits on the dream outcome, the thing that people want. We know this because we did the research. We knew the inputs to get the right outputs. And then we unpack the offer. We have the bullets, we have the call to action, we have the proof. That's how you implement a really strong above the fold that is going to convert more traffic into leads. If you want to learn more about how to do this, I have free videos on my YouTube on how to create high converting landing pages, how to create your call to action button, how to create your offers, etc. If you want more help, extra help, one way is to do our Golden Hippo Offer workshop, and you can also invest in our PX launch kit. That gives you the templates, the processes, and the training, exactly like our Unbounce, this in Unbounce, and then I just tell you how to do it. And at the moment, I think it's like $147 instead of $5,000 to get me to do it. So you can just go do that. If you want extra help, you can do the agency, or we also have coaching programs where we help you to set all of these up in your own business. Any of those links are in the description. Otherwise, keep enjoying the free content that we put out on YouTube and LinkedIn and Instagram.
Hey, just before you go and watch some cat dancing or another crazy Mr. Beast video, I've got something to give to you. All of the most successful businesses in any industry are dominating with this one thing. It is a Golden Hippo offer. And I've just launched my Golden Hippo Offer workshop. It has quick, actionable videos to walk you through my exact proven system. It has all of the plug and play templates you need to create and deploy your industry dominating offer. And I've just launched it for an insanely low amount. You can find the link in the comments and in the description of this video. And it's already getting students results like this.
And I've got to say that I learned more about marketing.
Up my conversions from like 7 or 8% to about 12%. Some days I've been 50% lead gen conversions.
To get you a lot of leads, scale your business, yeah, I would definitely recommend this workshop.
More about sales, more about getting great offers with a Golden Hippo offer.
One of the biggest wins for me was to come up with my own offer that I'm going to be testing with my audience. And I think it's going to be a really good offer.
Than I have in my entire 42 years on this planet before then. Thank you guys so much. It was a very tiny investment on my part, and you guys helped me get 7 clients during those 4 days. And at $3,500 a pop, that's a pretty good ROI for you guys. So thank you so much.
Remember, change your offer, change your business. Click the link in the description or in the comments below, and I'll see you on the inside.